Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xumo TV to your phone in 2026. So whether you want to use your phone as a remote, control playback or cast content to your TV, this setup is simple if you follow the steps in the order. So first of all, you need to make sure that the Xumo TV and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So this particular step is really very important. If they are on different networks, your phone won't detect the TV. So you need to check that the Wi-Fi on your phone, and then you need to confirm the network with the same name on your TV settings. So once this is done, you just have to open the Xumo application from Google Play Store or App Store. You can also access it in your TV. So in the Xumo application, once the installation is completed, simply sign in into your account. So the application is going to basically allow the phone to communicate with your TV. So inside your TV, simply come here on the settings of your device. In the settings, look for the option of the network. In the network, you are going to basically see the Wi-Fi network available here. So you just have to simply press the Wi-Fi button and wait for the same Wi-Fi name that appears on your phone to basically appear over here. So once it appears here, that means you have connected it successfully. So once it is connected, you can use your phone as a remote control. With the help of it, you can browse the channels, you can control the volume, pause or play the content, or sometimes you can cast the videos directly from your phone to the TV. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.